Hi and welcome back to the Laravel 8 complete tutorial. And in this video tutorial, we are going to talk about Laravel Blade template inheritance. Okay, so this is our home view. Okay, so to go to about, oh, what happened? To go to, let's go to contacts. Oh, I can't even see what there must be an error somewhere. Okay, let's go and check. Oh, you see, here I'm adding background color of yellow. Yeah, something different. Oh, red. Oh, okay. Let me just do that work and correct that. Let's go back and check. Oof, very soft. Guess what? I did that on purpose. You see? Now take it take it that you have 100 sites or you have 100 pages on your website. Okay. Now you see, usually when you go to a website, the layout or the theme of the layout of the website is usually the same. So you don't need to go to a website and you see About Us has a different layout, Contact Us has a different layout, services. Okay, just like for example, if you go to Facebook now, you see you're going to see that same blue color all through. You're going to see those notifications that you see up there, the user icon, the messages icon, notification icon, and so many other things. You're going to see the same layout. Okay, so you will not see different layouts, different colors, and so many other things, because you see what they are using is inheritance. Okay, so you see in a website we just need to define a single layout that all the other pages will inherit from. So you see, when we had those different colors, for me to change all of them, I needed to enter into all of the pages and change it. Okay, so this one is just a simple scenario. Let's take for example, you have a file that is thousands and thousands and thousands of HTML code here and Blade code. Okay, so for you to debug and to chase out the error, you need to do that in this page. Come to this other page, debug and check it, and so many other things. Okay, so what if you just had a center place where you could just do that change and it's reflected all through? That is what we are going to see in this video, so stay tuned. So welcome back to Web School. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, this is Laravel 8 complete tutorial from scratch. If your goal is to learn Laravel from scratch, from beginning to advanced, step by step, you are at the right place. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that any upcoming videos, you won't miss them. Also like our videos, share them so that others will also know about Laravel 8, or there are any friends or any of your friends that want to learn Laravel. Share the channel or share the videos to them so that they themselves can also watch and follow Laravel 8. If you have any question, any comment, just leave it down in the description below. If you have any worry, leave it down in the comment section below, and we are going to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go back to our code. I want to extract this home to a single file. So here, let me create a new directory called, let me call this includes. That's to say these are the files I'm going to include to my web page. Now in this directory, let me create a file called base. Let me just call it for short layouts. Okay. In this file currently nothing is there. So what I want to do is let me copy all of what I have, or let me just cut it. Come to our layouts, paste it here. Okay. Now, so in all of our pages, we are going to have this head right up to here. So it's going to be present in all of our pages. This body, we're also going to have it. So, but what we, even this our navigation menu, we're going to have it. But what we are not going to have is all of this starting from here, right? So let me extract this into the home. Okay. So this layout now is like this. So let me go and display this layout so that you see what it is. Now let me create public function layout. Now in this, I just want to show you how the layout looks like. Return view, and our view is in includes. Dots. That means we enter the includes folder, then we include directory, and then we access the layouts. Layout file. Okay. Yes. That. Now let's go to our routes so that we can navigate to this includes. Okay. So let me create a new route here. And to create a new route here. This new route, I want to call it layouts. Okay. Now I come to our browser. I click on layouts. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay. It is instead calling the index. Okay, so we have to change it and put the layout. Okay, come back and refresh. Okay, so this is our layout. We see nothing is there. So this is what we want to share across all of our pages. We want all of our pages to look like this, but the content of each page will be different. So now coming to our home, we see that there's no HTML, no layouts, just this, just code again. Okay, so what I want to do is in this layout, I want to define it as a model layout. Then I want to create a section where the child is going to be displayed. So the child is any file that is going to extend this layout. So any file that is calling this layout, this one means provide a space where it's going to take all of this code from here and just come and include it here, and then just display all of the whole layout. Okay, so this is what this new means. So it's providing a space to take the code that this one is going to call, this one is going to provide, come here, we see here. So now when you have defined this view method here, you come out to your home. To use that space that was provided by the parent layout, you first of all have to extend. We have to extend this layout. Now, when we are extending this layout, it means that we want to use this layout as our general layout for this page. Okay, so to get to this layout, we need to enter the input dot or whichever you want, and you enter the layout. Okay, so this one means we want to extend this layout. Okay, now when we have extended this layout, it is going to pull this layout code right here. So now we want to define, say, section. Now in this layout, this space here, we'll give it a name. Let's give it a name called contents. Okay, let's say page content. Okay, so let's use page content. Here is supposed to be a input. So which means now I'm defining the page content here. Okay, this section means this is the definition, or this is the value of this page content that I want to take from here and set there. Okay, so which means I need to say that I want to define the content of page contents. Okay, the contents, page content. Okay, now remember, anytime you have to open, so anytime you open, you need to close section. Okay, so this one means I'm defining the contents for this page content, and this one means provide a space for page content. So it's going to take this page content here, so it's going to display it here. Okay, if I go to the browser, refresh. Now currently we are in the layouts. If we go to the home, let's go back to our code and see. Oh, here we need to end. Yes. Okay, all right. So you see that we have extracted all of this into this layout. Okay, so what I can do here is I can just cut all of this here, delete, and I'm going to extend yes, complete. Say okay, then section, defining section content. contents and section. Okay. All right. Let me just let's do the way oh, I have to change the contents. Oh, so I think the special contents. So let me just copy all of this. Copy all of this. Paste here. Services. Paste. Okay. So what we need to do here is just to see services. Okay. Then here, what do we have here? Just one. About. Then here, we're adding contacts. Okay. Now, let's go and see changes we have made. Fresh. So, what else? Contact services. Okay. So you see that now if I need to change something, for example, I need to change the layout or the color of the nav bar, I just need to come here one place and say, for example, red, if we need red. Okay, so automatically all of the pages will have the red color. Is that not cool? Actually very cool. Okay, if I need it to be blue, I just need to come one spot here, change it, and everywhere is blue. Okay, wonderful. All right, so this is the end of this video. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go on and click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to stay connected with the rest of the tutorials. In the next tutorial, on the next video, we are going to start working with the database. So for you not to miss the video, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, so that when we release a video, you are not going to miss it. Okay, if you have liked our video, click on the like button. Also share the video so that we will also be helping others who want to learn Laravel. Okay, so on to the next video. Bye bye.